Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Barber Master guys. If you are looking for some hottest tapper fade haircut idea, I think this video is specially uploaded for you. In this video, we have compiled top 18 tapper fade haircut transformation. Don't skip this video, watch this video till then, and I can that video gonna make your day. No matter what type of hair you have, if you really love to have tapper fade, this video gonna give you a best idea to how to combine your hair with a tapper fade. As you can see, this guy got a low tapper which is long, and we are moving the next one, and this haircut gonna probably the high tapper with afro. Look at this one. That was most precise and most beautiful tapper fade haircut transformation I have ever seen. The high temp fade, moving the another one. That's how Barber can change your life. That was unbelievable transformation. That was most beautiful tapper fade haircut transformation. What type of hair you have, like braids, afro, twist, comb, what type of natural hair you have. If you really love to have tapper fade, and that type of barber gonna make your day. They will give you what exactly you want to get. They are always ready to give you the top-notch haircut. Examples are just here. Just watch and inspired. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get update for every upcoming upload. High class tapper fade. Flawless. I love that transformation. dreams by race. This barber just got amazing talent. That barber gonna make your day. Look at this one. As usual, he just delivered a perfect dapper fade haircut. This is gonna be a rough and tough transformation. Guy got very precise in the shape of line, and he got perfect tapper fade. Yes, sir. We are moving the same transformation. The previous guy also got that type of rough mob on the top, and as you can see, this guy got also huge chops on the top, but they are love to have tapper fade with huge chops. Everyone has own choice. I don't know why, but his hairline looked crooked. It's a little bit crooked. What would you say? Don't forget to comment your opinion. This little fella got a very unnatural hairline, but he got perfectly low tapper fade instead of other fades. The light neck tapper. Yeah, he got classy haircut. We are moving back to our mission. We got another black guy. He got perfect high tapper fade. Yeah, he's happy. He knows that he got perfect haircut. fade. Fresh as fuck. That was fresh. Oh my gosh. Yes sir, you got the perfect taper fade. That was the last haircut transformation. I hope you had enjoyed all of these taper fade haircut transformation. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get updated for every upload.